Health does not come only by the fear, it comes with the awareness. There are certain things in the lifestyle that we put, like breast self-examination, can go long run. I'm Dr. Shilpa. I'm gynecologist practicing in Harley's clinic at Mumbai. Every time when a girl gets the period, after the period, say around 5th, 7th day, there should be a habit of doing a self-breast examination. Why should we do a self-breast examination? Is because we want to know what's normal for me. If there is any subtle changes that happens eventually, you would be aware to address it and meet the right people. How to do the breast examination? In the breast examination, we divide the breast into 4 quadrants and nipple becomes the center part. 1/5 of the breast stays in the armpit. So we follow a sequence in which first looking at the mirror, knowing that 2 breasts can be bigger or smaller, the nipples can be little up and down, and that is normal. Second thing, putting the arms above the head to see 1/5 of the breast that stays in the armpit. Third, we should lie down on the bed and roll the arm or feel the breast with the flat of the arm, not trying to hold a part of a breast. When we try to hold a part of a breast, we always find a lump. Moving the arm all around the breast area, if we find any lump, a new lump, a cyst or a pain, that needs an address. Then squeezing a nipple to see the discharge. In the nipple, usually clear, fluidy, jelly type is fine, correct? If we see the milk, if we see the blood, if we see a green color discharge also, that requires an address. Checking the breast during the shower after the periods would be a great thing to do. Because of the water adds to the slippery nature of the fingers and the breast, we are able to feel it better. Points to note when to see the doctor. If we see dimpling of the skin, if we see a green, red, white color discharge from the breast, if we feel a new lump or a cyst you won't know it. So if you feel a lump, you should meet a doctor for your checkup. If you have any questions regarding the breast examination, you can send across. Thank you.